Hi, I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTrackYou.com. Today we're going to do a product review on the Scorpion EXO-R420 full face helmet. Okay, now I'm going to give you the quick rundown on the Scorpion EXO-R420. So if you want to listen to me blather on and on about it, here are the cliff notes. Solid pricing, $149, graphics, $159. Available in all the sizes. How does it fit? I would say it runs pretty true to size, right? With a nice, comfortable fit. It runs to me just a little bit bigger than their R410 did. I'm a medium, 58 centimeters on the money. This is what I tried on. I like the fit, good and comfortable, good field of vision. Comes with a fog-free shield, all sizes except for 3 and 4X. Are DOT and SNELL 2015 certified. That is a nice value add, especially at this price point. Comes in 2 shell sizes, extra small through medium, large, and then on the way up to the top. I don't know if they're including the 4X in that same shell. I couldn't find any literature on that, but 2 shell sizes for most common sizes. It's going to have adequate to good ventilation, fog-free shield with a nice centrally located lock right here. Removable, replaceable, washable interior, ships with a chin curtain, ships with a clear shield, D-ring fastening system. Here's the biggest cliff note, right? Here's the biggest rundown part you should pay attention to. If you're looking for a $150 helmet, this is, feature and benefit-wise, quality-wise, in my opinion, the best one available. New R420. You ready for this? Retail, $149 for solids, $159 for the graphics. That's as of right now. This is for a SNELL certified helmet. Every size is SNELL except for 3X and 4X. Unbelievable price point. Scorpion, and I'm going to say this in the beginning of the video, okay? They can't take a picture of a helmet to save their lives, okay? This is the Technograph. This thing looks pretty bitchin'. I look at the pictures online and I'm like, yeah, it doesn't look that great. But you get it in your hands and it looks amazing. So Scorpion, please fix that. Product performance and quality at the price points they operate, they dominate. This is, in my opinion, the best made $150 price point helmet out there. Period. Just to clarify, I ride in Scorpion products, okay? Most of my racetrack stuff, yeah, I'm going to be in higher end stuff for sure. Thank God I can afford it, so I use that stuff there. My whole family snowmobiles, every one of us snowmobiles. 2 daughters, son, wife, my brother goes, his son goes. Everybody except for my brother is riding in a Scorpion helmet. So I'm putting myself and my entire family in their products. And in the snow stuff, we're typically not riding in the upper end stuff. We're right in that middle of the road stuff. That's how much I believe in it. Who is this helmet right for? Let's start right there. Well, if you're looking for a full face helmet and you see one of the graphics and you dig it, then this helmet is right for you. Sport riding, I'm going to say this is a street helmet, okay? I saw on another website, they're like, yeah, ready for the track or the negative. You know, if you're going to go to the track, let's get you into a higher end helmet. But if you're a newer rider or you like to get a great deal, on a street helmet, this is right for you. The features, benefits, quality are amazing. Helmet weight, that's a big deal. Size medium in the Techno. On our digital shipping scale, 3.5 pounds. That is lightweight for most helmets today, especially for SNELL certified product. Let's talk about how it fits as compared to other helmets in the interior shape. I would rate the interior shape as intermediate oval, which is really right for most people in North America. I measure 58 centimeters right on the button. In a medium, it fits me as I would expect. It's actually a comfortable fit. I've seen other product from them in previous years where the medium was a little tighter. I think the 410 maybe felt a little bit tighter. This feels just a little bit more relaxed, but it fit as it should. And the on-off effort was not too difficult, but also not so easy where it just fell on. And remember, that's really important with newer helmet buyers that are typically going to gravitate towards a product like this. When you put the helmet on, okay, you want to grab it by the chin straps and spread the interior apart a little bit and then pull it over. If it's too easy to get on, odds are it doesn't fit right, and if it doesn't fit right, it can't protect you properly. Ventilation. You've got an intake vent up here in the very top that is either on or off. Intake vent here in the chin, that is multi-position. That'll bring air into the chin area and up onto the shield, which is of course famous Scorpion fog-free. Diffuser here in the back for your exhaust ventilation. Ventilation performance with this helmet. This is an area where, you know, you look at more affordable helmets and you look at middle of the road and higher end helmets. One of the features that is typically always better the more you spend is going to be ventilation. I have not ridden this one yet. We'll do a little quick ride in it as it warms up here a little bit in Michigan. But my expectation of ventilation performance with this, I would use the word, you know what, adequate to good. Okay, is it going to be great top shelf? Negative. It has one intake vent up here and one up here. More higher end helmets will typically have brow, diffuser style across the top, chin, and then of course your exit vents. But I think overall it will be adequate. The shield itself, it ships with the clear shield. There are tinted shields that are available. This is fog-free treated, and Scorpion for years has dominated that fog-free treatment because it actually works. With Scorpion, in my opinion, there's no need for pin lock. A lot of times when I'm riding the sleds, depending on the temperature conditions, I'll just unplug the shield, right, cord, throw it in the glove box on the sled and ride the majority of the day with it unplugged. This stuff is very effective. It's got a lock here right in the middle. That does two things. One, it's going to keep it down in place, and two, it really helps it seal better against the gasket, so you get a little bit of a win there. We've got multiple detents, if that's important to you. To change it, you're going to want to pull on this trigger right here. It's kind of up and forward, and then pull out, pull forward and out at the same time. Is this the absolute level smoothest one I've ever, you know, it's not horrible, okay? It's not horrible, but you know, you kind of get the sense here. They're higher end helmets. It feels just a little bit nicer, but you have to be realistic with your expectations. To reinstall it, you get this locator tab right here, aligned with this part on the ratchet system. And then push in. Super simple, easy to do, right to the point, good quality stuff. Now we get to the part where if you want to see this thing all torn apart from the inside out, we're going to do that for you. We've already showed you how to do the shield. You know, once again, I mean, that's not the smoothest I've ever seen. The second side is a lot easier because you've already got the first side off and you kind of distort it a little bit more. Comes with a breath deflector already installed. That is removable if you want to do so. Kind of give you an idea of how to do that here. You want to grab a hold of it and pull upward. You want to make sure you get it as close to its base as possible when you do that so you don't tear it apart, because it does engage pretty well. Like so. Also included is a chin curtain. To remove the chin curtain, just grab it once again towards the base and pull out. Nice positive engagement. That is not going to fall out. This does have the emergency release cheek pads, so if in fact you do happen to have an accident and somebody needs to pull these, it's clearly marked. It's got a little tab. When you're wearing the helmet, these things literally just pull right out. It doesn't work as well when you have the helmet on a table. You kind of need the pressure inside the helmet to make it really work properly by having it on. To remove them without using the quick release, you just get your fingers in between the EPS and the back of the cheek pad. Like so. And even looking at that, remember, this is $149 to $159. Good material, designed to work with glasses, good stitching. The top pad, got two snaps here on the back. Release those. Come up to the front. And that comes out pretty easily. Once again, you're going to see really nice quality of stitching and components. Liners are replaceable. If you do choose to order one down the road, what you most often see with a helmet like this, odds are people aren't going to replace the liner. They'll probably invest in a new helmet if and when the time comes. Inside the helmet, it has pockets ready to accept communicator systems and little channels there for the wires. If you look inside, you'll see the EPS is channeled out for ventilation. The chin bar is EPS lined and has holes for ventilation there as well, so you get some ventilation in the chin area as well as air moving up onto the shield. Okay, closing thoughts. What do I think? I really, and I've always said this for years, when it comes to this price point stuff, man, Scorpion dominates the quality, the features, the benefits, right? This is stuff that I feel comfortable using for a first-time helmet buyer, for someone that, you know what, that's your price point. This is where you need to shop. This, in my opinion, will exceed expectations. It won't just meet them. It's not going to fall short of them. I think realistically, as long as you've ordered the right size and it fits you well, this is going to exceed your expectations. It's worth the $150 and then some. Its competition, right, should be really afraid of this helmet because this is a great product.